Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm here today with my Proform Carbon CX exercise bike. Friends, I used it for about a month, and then I started getting a CH0 or a CH1 Error. After talking with support, they sent me a cable. It's time to repair it, so let's get cracking. So my friends, if you're getting CH0, if you look in the manual on page 15 or 16, they tell you to take out the battery. Alrighty, friends, so there the battery is removed. I'm going to hold the button for 20 seconds. 3, 4, 5, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, so we did at least 20 seconds of holding a button. Now we're going to replace the battery. And let's see if my bike will come back to life. All right, so it's obviously recording stuff. Resistance 2 and still a CH0. All right, friends, so I had to remove these two screws, and then I was able to pull that out, and then that little cable started to move. It was already disconnected. Now you don't want it to fall through like mine just did, so I'm going to get a little twist tie, and I'm going to use a screwdriver to push that back forward so we can have it out. There you can see, catastrophe averted. And I'm going to quickly zip tie this so that I don't lose it a second time, because that would be highly overrated. Alright friends, so we've got this cable and we've got this cable, which I connected a tie to, but I lost that cable inside there. It was too short, and I'm going to have to replace it, I think, with this cable anyhow. So we're just going to pull this out. And let's do some quick analysis here. So this cable has this end, and then it's got a female end. So the female end is going to attach up there. The new cable that was sent to me has two male ends. So how is that even going to work? Alrighty friends, so I'm going to just put a zip tie in here. I've got these tiny ones that I've had from 3D printing. And that way I can zip this together so that I'm not going to have it come apart again. If I ever want to clip it, it's super easy. And I'm not putting any stress on the cables because it's so small. So now that's connected. And then I'm going to do the same thing to zip tie up to the top. And just pull this through with my little wire and we should be good to go. Let's back this up and see if we can get this through here. I've got that wire on the front, so it should come around pretty easy. Alright friends, I don't know if I got the light so you can see it. That wire is at the exact right spot so that I can grab it, and I can fish it through just like that. So I'll give you the measurements of this wire because it's hard to have anything come out that good. Mine was simply luck. Now I can bring this up. We can fish it through. Make sure I don't catch my little twist tie. And let's keep fishing. Slide it all the way forward. And friends, there is the little connector just like we want. Alrighty friends, so now I'm going to slide the zip tie through here so that way I've got a hold of this. And then let's connect it together. And there was a tiny click, so that feels like it snapped, but I'm not going to risk it. I'm going to slide this little fella through here again, and let's zip these two together. So hopefully this solves my issue. Now I'm going to still contact Proform and see what's up with the connector being male-male. Alright, so I'm taking off that zip tie. I'm going to feed that back in. Alright friends, so when you're coming through here, you want to make sure the wire stays below this. So I've just used a screwdriver to nudge that down a little bit, then I can get it across there and actually get it so I can connect. But you want to make sure you're not bumping into your wires, because that can cause part of the problems as well. So there you can see I've got the end of it. So now I can attach the nut just like this. Alright, so it is connected back together. If we give it a bit of a spin and we hit plus, you can see it's still giving me the CH0. Now what they tell us to do is, if that happens, to do the manual reset. Take out the batteries, which I've gotten pretty good at. And of course, hold the button down for 20 seconds, replace the battery, and let's see what we get. Resistance 2, and still a CH0. So, I will keep bugging Proform, see if they can send me an instruction tutorial for what to do with that cable, because it obviously did not fit where I just plugged it in. Maybe I'll take it apart one more down below and see if it fits down there. Alrighty friends, so that was not successful, and I wasn't even able to figure out where this cable's supposed to connect. It obviously did not fit where I opened up, so I'll contact Proform and see if I can find out some more info, and I'll share that as well. I did, however, find out that an insulation hanger, this is what you put in to hold insulation, is a handy-dandy tool for pulling those wires through if you're working on your Proform Carbon CX. So my friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.